Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Um, I have worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for, let's see, 4 decades. I have been doing this, for 50 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, attorneys. We all work together. We are just a dedicated IRS tax resolution firm along with filing back taxes and getting settlements. Anyway, today it's not going to be, I've got about, God, I don't know, 2,000 uploads out there on YouTube at least. Many people, though, however, look for former IRS agents. It's just something that they want to do, and they're looking for an agent to be their consultant or tax expert on an IRS tax matter. So this is just going to be a 1 minute. I hate to say it's promotional, but it is. But I want to tell you specifically why you need to use former IRS agents on most of your cases that don't involve litigation. I have CPAs and tax attorneys all on the staff, a team that we all work together. So it's nothing for me to say, well, I put this person down or that. I have all these people here. But let me tell you what former IRS agents bring that nobody else brings. You know, as a former IRS agent, you are trained for a year, about 11 or 12 weeks, just to know the job. You know all the inside of the job, the outside of the job. So if you know that, you know every solution, you know every gap, you know everything in every defense, how to fight things, how to prevent things, and you know what they're going to do because you're staying you're staying a step ahead of them, more than a step, 2 or 3 steps ahead of them on every case. So when we get a case, we know exactly how IRS is going to work the case. We should. I've been doing this, I don't know, 10 years. I probably worked at least 10,000 cases. So I'm going to know everything the IRS is doing. So our job is to go ahead and look at your case first and to find out how we can make your case better. There's things that we know that we can do and present you in a better light to Internal Revenue Service. You, whether you know or not, will never make yourself a good attorney going into IRS because it's always someone else that can make you look better because what you say is just self-evident about who you are. So when a former IRS agent at least sticks up for you and says these are really the facts or we can prevent things, it makes a whole big difference. Let me tell you, though, the biggest thing that is all that people don't understand. There is a negotiation that takes place many times with the revenue officer, the auditor, or up at appeals. And it's the negotiation that since we know how they're going to do that, we know how to go ahead and counteract everything they're going to do. So anyway, if you're looking for IRS tax experts as consultants on your IRS problem, you may want to consider using former IRS agents. Look at our team. We've got an excellent team of former agents. Thank you for listening. I have 2,000 other YouTubes out there, and they're very informational. Every now and then, I got to do a promotion. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription. I'd appreciate it. Subscriptions are big. Thank you.